Hey guys, I'm back. Was in the Soho G-Shock store today. Got the G-Shock bag here. I wanted to pick up the Nigel. Originally, I went to get the Nigel, and well, first of all, got the G-Shock on the bag, 30th anniversary logo. It's pretty nice, cool bag. So I went originally to pick up the Nigel. I went in. There was there was one more left. I wasn't allowed to buy it, and then I negotiated with my parents, and I went back in, and it just sold. So it made it easy. Same price of the amount I had, and got this DGK here, the second one. So, well, a little bit about the box. DGK all day. It says that basically all around the box. Model number here, G8900 DGK-7CR. So yeah, it's the DGK Stevie Williams. So, alright. On the inside of the box, you could probably see here, it says DGK. It says G-Shock on top, and you probably can't see that. Let me pick the camera up real quick. It says Stevie Williams signature right here. It's kind of hard to tell. Anyways, model number 3285. So yeah, I was with Tycho today at the store, you know, saying about my how I was about to pick up the Nigel, but like I said, unfortunately it sold out. So DGK. The tin, it's got a black top. DGK G-Shock, Stevie Williams signature. It says Stevie Williams down here. The can's pretty cool with the purple, the black, the gray, the white. It's a pretty cool tin. As always, we got the warranty card. The new warranty card looks kind of cool. I like this warranty card. The padding. There we go. So here is usually the padding's like black, but this time it's gray, which is kind of cool. Here it is. It's a really nice watch. We got the clear, jelly type clear band. Stevie Williams at the bottom. DGK up here. Got the purple buttons. It says DGK up here. So, got the purple, the back. Let's look at the back plate here. Oh yeah, the band's clear too, or the holder, the keeper. DGK. Let's look at the back. Back plate, it says DGK. Stevie Williams. This is a really nice watch. I think the only problem is, some people said it yellows. I don't know if there's a way to clean them, if anyone knows. So, got the price tag, $130. Got the button, DGK in the back. Yeah, like I said, nice piece. Glad to add it to my collection. Stop. And yeah, so that's it for this one. Upcoming collaboration with Supra Party. Hopefully I'll be able to get to that, because looking forward to that. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and shout out to Tycho. hung out with him today. My brother got a G-Shock as well. Go watch his channel. He just got a new G-Shock. So why don't you go ahead? It's so yeah. Like I said, nice piece, good piece to have. See ya.